Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Riya. In today's video, I'm going to do a full face makeup using Mars Cosmetics. Almost every product is under rupees 300, so let's get started. Starting with Mars Take Glow Illuminating Primer. This is available in two shades. I'm in the shade 01 Moon Glow. MRP of this is rupees 229 for 30 ml of product. It comes with a pump and has shimmer particles in the product as it says in the name. It blurs large pores and creates a smooth canvas for the base makeup. I'm applying it to the highest point of my face. You also can mix it with your foundation for dewy finish or apply it all over your face. It is creamy in texture and gives you a glowy look. As you can see the before and the after difference. Next we have Mars Blossom Soft Matte Foundation in the shade Buff. This is the only product that is over 300. MRP of this is rupees 449 for 30 ml of product. It's available in 6 different shades and I think this is the darkest shade as per the swatches on their website, and I don't know why there are no shades for medium to deeper skin tones people. Anyway, I'm gonna blend the foundation with Mars Wonder Blender. MRP of this is rupees 249. It is very soft and gentle on the skin and blends the foundation seamlessly. It doesn't soak up much product. Tip of this blender easily can reach under the eyes and the corner of the nose. This blender is so soft. I have never used a blender like this. The Real Technique blender was my favorite, but from now on this is gonna be my new favorite. Coming back to the foundation, the shade is not the exact match to my skin tone, but it does oxidize 1 to 2 shades darker, so it will match to me. This foundation has a dewy finish, and for the illuminating primer that I have applied underneath the foundation, it looks even more glowy and dewy from within. Next we have Mars Seal the Deal Concealer. MRP of this is rupees 199 for 8 gram product. It's available in 8 different shades and I am in the shade Pure Beige. They have changed the packaging of this. Earlier it had similar to LA Girl concealer packaging, but now we get a wand which is really convenient to use. It is a lightweight and creamy formula that gives medium to high coverage. It evens out the dark circles around the eyes, minimize fine lines and redness, and blends like a dream. At this price, it is such a good quality concealer. I like it. For blush, I'm using Mars Matte Box Lipstick. Pink and nude variant as my blush in the shade 04. Blending it with the same blender. I didn't find any contouring product by Mars, so I'm applying my regular contour by LA Girl to give a little bit of structure to my face. Next we have Mars Trend Setting Powder. MRP of this is rupees 249 for 8 gram product. It available in 4 shades. It comes with a puff, but I like to use a brush. I'm in the shade Matte Translucent. It's a finely melted powder that gives a smooth finish and doesn't leave any white cast, which is a really good thing. I'm applying it only to that area where I tend to get oily. Now let's do the eye. I have the Mars Micro Precision Brow Pencil. It comes with 2 shades, black and brown. I'm in the shade brown. MRP of this is rupees 149 for 0.4 gram product. It has an angled tip that gives thin hair-like strokes and has a spoolie attached on the other side. It's a smooth formula that gives a perfect amount of pigmentation and it looks very natural. For eyeshadow, I have Mars Back to Basic Eyeshadow Palette. MRP of this is Rs 229 for 14.4 gram product. It comes in two variants. I have 02 with me. I like the color theme of this palette. It is a mix of mattes and shimmers. The shades are easy to blend and it is pigmented as well. I think this palette is a must-have for beginners, and at this price point, this palette is worth the money. You can use it as a daily soft look or just a bit of drama for the festive look as well. For lashes, we have the Mars Fabulous Mascara. MRP of this is Rs 199 for 12 ml product. It has intense jet black color and curls the lashes for a longer period of time. The formula of this is super creamy and smoothly glides on the lashes. It provides length and volume to the lashes. I already did a dedicated video on this mascara. I will leave the link on the description box. You can check that out. I really want to leave my lashes like this, but we have Mars Fabulous eyelashes to try. MRP of this is Rs 99. It is 01 OG Princess. It comes in 12 different variants. It has thin bands and it is made with synthetic hair. This is super comfortable to wear and doesn't irritate my eye. I really like the lashes and I'm definitely gonna try some other variants too. For highlighter, I bought Mars Wonder Highlighter. MRP of this is Rs 249 for 8.5 gram product. It is available in 3 shades and I am in the shade Gold. It comes with a full-size good quality mirror and comes with magnetic closure. This highlighter looks beautiful on almost every Indian skin tone people out there, but this highlighter is not finely melted. It's little glittery or chunky side, but considering the price point, I think it does the job. So yeah, I like it, but not my favorite. For lips, I have Mars Matte Box in the shade 04 from Pink and Nude and 11 from the Browns Matte Box lipstick. I'm applying both of them. Full review video of these lipsticks on my channel. I will leave the link on description box. Now setting my base makeup with Mars Seal the Deal Makeup Fixer. MRP of this is Rs 299 for 60 ml of product. I like this fixer a lot. This is my current favorite fixer and I can't stop using this after I got it in my hand. The nozzle spreads the product very finely and evenly on the face and it doesn't disturb the base makeup at all. It feels super light on the skin. It sets the base beautifully. It has a very minimal fragrance which is gonna go away after a few minutes. So that's it for today's look. Now the product that I'm in love with and you can try. Number 1 is Mars Wonder Blender. Number 2, Mars Trend Setting Powder. Number 3, Fabulous Mascara. And number 4, Fabulous Eyelashes. And last but not the least, Mars Seal the Deal Makeup Fixer. So these are the products that are absolutely worth your money and I highly recommend them. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Love you. Bye.